That's amazing. How I'm meeting all these people who are buying esoteric cameras. I realised that they existed, but I wasn't actually sort of, you know, I couldn't really identify them. It's got a split screen. Everyone at likes a Mori 1000 wants one with a split screen for some reason.
They're rarer, probably?
I suppose so. It's rather those sort of, I don't know, odd sort of persuasions that people have. That's rather nice with the side door. They're very much miles ahead, Dodge, with those swinging side doors. What a clever idea for side access.
So in the US, my understanding is the doors that slide,
yes,
those are for personal.
Yeah.
And the doors that hinge open were for commercial use.
Yeah, I think it's better because you could also use a forklift for loading.
Yeah, and you never have problems with the mechanism.
That's exactly right.
I had vans. I've had two 1995 Chevy vans. One with a sliding door, which I had repaired twice, and one with.
And it never fitted after it was repaired twice, or even after once.
Well, we did a pretty. We went to a junkyard and got the parts. It worked pretty good.
Yeah.
It was a beat up van though, and then.
Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful roof rack fitting. I'm into roof racks. That's a one piece and it virtually, there we are, and you tape it and you've got a clip there, fast fit. That is so clever.
I do believe those are adjustable too.
Yes.
Because this could depend on what you were carrying maybe.
Isn't that wonderful? You know, so you have one roof rack and it's not identified. I love roof racks. It allows me, as in my small camper van, to use a top box and to move everything out from the inside and put it on the roof.
I just noticed spotlight. I'm guessing they did that for work so they could put the light on what they were doing.
Yeah, for overhead. And what they've got inside is the handle to adjust the spotlight. So that is really nifty.
Normally you see that on cop cars.
Yes, I think that's a wonderful idea. Now, what in India, there was a Maharaja's vehicle that I saw, and they called it a Maharaja light. Because they used it on tiger hunting so that they could identify the tigers.
Oh, it's just gone. There's a Henderson parking permit.
Oh, what, is it out of date now?
Might be.
Oh, look at that. It's remarkable.
I wonder if these are even tempered glass. Oh, no, they are.
That is a wonderful design, and I think it goes to show that the ideas that they formulated in America crossed the pond.
I wonder.
Wonderful styling to it.
What happens with a lot of the vehicles?
Yes.
Okay, so you know the Ford Mustang, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so the 64.5 and the 65.
Yes.
It's. Oh, I'm losing the name now. It's another car. They just put an outer shell on it and called it Mustang.
Oh.
They just reused the. Oh man, I'm forgetting what it's called now.
So I'm always taken by the film that was in the film Bullet with Steve McQueen,
yes,
and the music composition, which is called Shifting Gears, and it's made by composed by a rather famous composer at that period that was composing for other films as well and other television series, and it's well worth listening to. It's really atmospheric. They chose that piece, I think, very well.
Now what phone is that?
Xiaomi 13 Pro.